So guys, I'm gonna give my thoughts on this Klein tool wire cutters. I have some other ones, the Canadian ones are pretty good. This one's I just recently got them, and this time we're gonna be cutting 3/0 wire. Not bad, really good. Obviously they're new, but yeah, you see that's been using the bandsaw and whole sawzall. It's a very nice cut too. Yeah, very nice. Let's try them out with the black one. Really good. But guys, this is worth buying, but it is a little pricey. I think if I remember correctly, I need to look into, before making the videos, checking the prices on these tools. This one, I think it cost me like about, I think 200 and something, somewhere around there.